I bought this Dewalt lamp in a non-working condition and I fixed it, then I used it and I'm pretty satisfied with it. But before, if this kind of videos are helping you and if you want to support back, you can consider subscribing, giving a thumbs up, and if you don't like something, better than giving a thumbs down, you can just leave a comment and explain what you didn't like, maybe then I can improve. So yeah, if you want to support, you know what to do. So yeah, I bought it non-working, in one non-working condition, very cheap, and then I repaired it. You can watch its video. I guess I already uploaded. And I also bought another version. This is DCL050 and there is 040 if I remember right. I also bought a couple of broken ones. I will also repair them and make a review of them. Maybe I will also compare these two. And yeah, I'm using it for a while and I'm very satisfied with it. But I think the most key thing about these kind of work lamps, the battery. So what I can say, I guess the key thing, if you have the batteries already and if you have a good price on them, don't think about it, buy it. But if you don't have the battery and if you need a lamp, just a lamp, this is not making wonders. This is not a crazy lamp. So you can go for any lamp because it's just giving illumination. Maybe there is even better ones out there. So I guess that's the key point. If you have the batteries, go for it. If you don't have it, yeah, you have other options and just check what is available, what you like. So yeah, I guess that's all I can say. Am I happy with it? I am really happy with it, and I'm a bit pissed for myself that I didn't get them before because I didn't realize how much I needed them before I used them. So yeah, I used them a lot on my car. I repaired my car, or I have a Ford Focus. I also upload these videos. So I was working outside on the street secretly from the police. So I needed light at night. I used a lot, very useful. And positive sides is illumination is good and it lasts long, even though my batteries are not fresh. And by the way, I repaired these batteries. I bought them broken. I also repaired them. I guess I also uploaded videos about how to repair them. You can check. And so even though these are not fresh, there are many cells changed inside and the capacities definitely went down. The runtime is really good. I never run out of batteries. I checked, I never drain my batteries all the way down. So I always check them, and when I see the first bar, when I see it goes to the first bar, or sometimes even the second bar, I change it. I put it into recharge. Even though I'm a bit picky like that, it lasted really long time, even though there's 2 amp ones. So the runtime is really good. One thing I don't like is the hook. So I can explain it like this. So there is a hook here, which you can press it in and press it out, and then it's obvious that you can hang it from somewhere, from the ceiling, blah blah. So when you hang it, and if you want to illuminate the wall, let's say, that's okay. You hang it, alright, you switch it on, your wall is bright. So for example, you want to work on your engine, so you pop your hood up, you open up your hood, and you hang the light somewhere on your hood. So in this case, it will either illuminate the hood or illuminate your face, and most of the time it illuminates your face and really annoys you. What I wish that rather than having this hook here, I wish that the hook was connected here. So what could happen, you could, let's say my hand is the hook, so you can hook it, you can hang it somewhere, and then you can move this head independently from the bottom part. So what could happen, let's give it a battery by the way. so it will be more balanced. Let's say that my hand is the hook now. Now you can light it down, direct it down if the hook was here. So instead of having it on your face like this, you could illuminate the engine bay, or you could illuminate the table you're working on. That's my biggest complaint about this design. And I guess Makita has a better design, which is something like this, if I remember right. You can tilt, maybe even also pan the head independent from the rest. If I'm wrong, just update me. But yeah, that's my biggest complaint about this. When you hang it, it's pretty much useless. But other than that, as I said, I really use it a lot. So yeah, the power output is pretty nice. I will add a video in the end, which after I repaired it, I made a test in complete darkness, and I switched it on, how much illumination it gives. It is not really a good test because the camera sees the illumination your eyes get and the camera get. It's just the exposure, let's say, it's not the same. So your eyes are much more sensitive than the camera, so camera doesn't cut it. So you should keep it, should think that what image you see with the camera will be much more brighter to your eyes. So yeah, I will add that footage at the end so you can check how much illumination it gives. But it has 2 stages. First stage, full power, when you first click on the trigger, and when you pull the trigger a second time, you go to a lower lumen mode. I forgot, but you can check online how much lumen it gives, but it's plenty bright. You can see all my table. This is the first level, this is the second level, and second level is plenty enough, and I'm like, I am pretty far away, as far as my arm is reaching from the table. And now I'm very as far as my arm can reach. So yes, then this is the second. Off first, as you can see, it's plenty enough. So yeah, I guess that's all I can say. If you have questions, please ask questions, questions, please leave it in the below section. If the video helped you in any way, and if you want to support this kind of content, you know what you can do. Subscribing, the best support. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You know it already. And yeah, I guess that's all. So thanks for watching.